Namaskar, my name is Ragam Maheshwari and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Revolution Make It Simple. In this, I am starting a series on Indian geography that I will deliver through maps so that you can have a very good grasp on the topic. In this video, we will try to understand and analyze the political map of India and its evolution since its independence in 1947 from Britishers. This topic will be covered in two parts. This is the first part. So without any delay, let's begin. ये है हमारा प्यारा भारत, आज का भारत. India totally lies in northern hemisphere in Southeast Asia between 8 degree 4 minutes and 37 degree 6 minutes north and 68 degree 7 minutes and 97 degree 25 minutes east. Total area of India is about 3.28 million square kilometers, which is about 2.4% of the total world's area, and it is the seventh largest country in the world. North to south measures 3,214 kilometers between the extreme latitudes, and west to east measures 2,933 kilometers between the extreme longitudes. Its total land frontier is about 15,200 kilometers. इसकी मेनलैंड और लक्षद्वीप और अंडमान एंड निकोबार आइलैंड्स की टोटल कोस्ट लाइन लेंथ है 7,516.6 kilometers. According to 2011 census, which was a recent one, its total inhabitants are 1,210.7 millions, which is about 17.5% of that of the world, and which makes it to stand at second rank. At present, there are 28 states and 8 union territories. Now, जो हम आज states की political boundaries देखते हैं, those were not same since independence, but got evolved with the passage of time. Before 1947, that is pre-independence, India comprised two categories of political units: British provinces and 552 princely states. In the map, the yellow part shows the territories that were under the direct control of the Britishers, and the pink portion are the princely states. At the time of independence, Indian Independence Act was passed in 1947, which allows for the creation of two independent dominions, India and Pakistan. Secondly, the princely states were given three choices: either to join India or to join Pakistan or remain independent. Of the 552 princely states, 549 princely states joined India, leaving behind Hyderabad, Junagadh and Kashmir. But in course of time, Hyderabad by police action, Junagadh by referendum, and Kashmir by instrument of accession were also integrated in India. The first one is the political map of India in 1947. There were basically four divisions, namely British territories, princely states, tribal areas of Assam, and other colonial territories. We will be dealing with the second map in the coming slide. 1950 के इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, जिसको हम भारतीय संविधान के नाम से भी जानते हैं, इसमें स्टेट्स को चार पार्ट्स में क्लासिफाई किया गया था: पार्ट ए, बी, सी एंड डी. Part A consists of those territories which were then governors provinces of British India. They were Assam, Bihar, Bombay, Madhya Pradesh, Madras, Orissa, Punjab, United Provinces, and West Bengal. Part B consists of those territories which were then princely states with legislatures. They were Hyderabad, Jammu and Kashmir, Madhya Pradesh, Mysore, Patiala and East Punjab, Rajasthan, Saurashtra, Travancore, Cochin, and Vindhya Pradesh. Part C consists of those territories which were then chief commissioners provinces of the then princely states. They were Ajmer, Bhopal, Bilaspur, Cooch Behar, Kurg, Delhi, Himachal Pradesh, Kutch, Manipur, and Tripura. Part D consists of solitary states. It consists of only Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Now, in this map of 1950, the pink portion are the Part A states, the violet portions are the Part B states, the yellow portions are the Part C states, and the grey portion are other colonial territories or protectorates. After independence, there had been a demand from different regions, particularly South India, for reorganization of states on linguistic basis. Accordingly, three commissions were set up. The first one in June 1948 under the chairmanship of S.K. Dhar. This commission was called the Dhar Commission. इस कमीशन ने रिकमेंड किया कि reorganization should be done on administrative convenience rather than the linguistic factor. This created a lot of resentment और दिसंबर 1948 में JVP कमीशन फॉर्म हुई जिसमें उस टाइम के प्रधानमंत्री जवाहरलाल नेहरू, वल्लभ भाई पटेल और पट्टाभी सिद्धारमैया थे. This commission formally rejected language as the basis for reorganization of states. However, Government of India was forced to create the first linguistic state known as Andhra state by separating Telugu-speaking areas from the Madras state. The creation of Andhra state intensified the demand from other regions as well. उसके बाद गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने फजल अली की चेयरमैनशिप में थर्ड कमीशन बनाई विच एक्सेप्टेड language as the basis of reorganization of states but rejected theory of one language, one state. This commission suggested the abolition of the fourfold classification of states. The government of that time accepted some of the recommendations of the Fazal Ali Committee with certain modifications and while passing 7th Constitutional Amendment Act and State Reorganization Act of 1956, the government abolished earlier fourfold classification of states and created 14 states and 6 union territories while merging some of the regions with adjacent states. The 14 states were Andhra Pradesh, Assam, Bihar, Bombay, Jammu and Kashmir, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Madras, Mysore, Orissa, Punjab, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal. The 6 union territories were Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Delhi, Himachal Pradesh, Manipur, Tripura and Lakshadweep, Minicoy and Amandine Islands. ये 1956 का मैप है. इसमें स्टेट बाउंड्रीज क्लियरली डिमार्केट हैं. In this map, Travancore, Cochin, Malawa district of Madras and Kasaragod district of Dakshin Kannada were merged to form Kerala state. Andhra Pradesh state was formed by merging Telugu-speaking areas of Hyderabad state and Andhra state. Madhya Pradesh was formed by merging Madhya Bharat, Vindhya Pradesh and Bhopal state. Likewise, Saurashtra and Kutch were merged into Bombay state. Kurg was merged into Mysore state. Patiala and East Punjab state union, that is PEPSU, was merged into Punjab state and Ajmer state was merged into Rajasthan state. Also, Government of India created new union territories of Lakshadweep, Minicoy and Amandvi Islands from detached territories of Madras state. I hope you like this video informative. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest notification. The second part of this topic will be covered in the next video. Dhanyavad and Jai Hind.